Hello again, and thank you for choosing to watch another instalment from here at my YouTube channel Benidorm and Beyond. I produce original, positive and informative videos on a weekly basis about Benidorm, where I've lived for many years, and also the adjacent areas. So if you enjoy this vlog, please consider becoming a subscriber so you'll never miss any new content as I upload it in the future. So let's get started. Today I'm showing you the recently refurbished and reopened Hotel Gala Placidia, which is situated on Avenida de Roma in the Rincon de Loix area of Benidorm. Avenida de Roma has recently had extensive roadworks carried out on it and is now re-tarmacked and ready to go, and you can see the works before and after in a recent vlog of mine should you wish to do so. The hotel can be reached by walking uphill from Avenida Ametlla de Mar, which is the main road into the Rincon de Loix area of Benidorm, or alternatively downhill from Avenida de Estocolmo, which the hotel backs onto. This video starts with footage of the final few days before it reopened its doors on the 17th of February, followed with video of the arrival of some of its first guests just over a week ago. The Gala Placidia is a 3-star superior hotel which was built back in 1974 and has 136 rooms over 8 floors. A pleasant 5 to 10 minute stroll to the Levante seafront, which is only 650 metres away, it is in a perfect location for a great Benidorm holiday. Extensively renovated during the pandemic, the hotel has a 24-hour reception who offer currency exchange and a tourist information service. The hotel offers rooms with a terrace, pool view rooms with a terrace or family rooms, all of which are spacious and bright and decorated in shades of greens, turquoise and aquamarine, which is the hotel's new colour scheme since its refurbishment. Each room has high-speed Wi-Fi, an LCD flat-screen satellite TV, a full bathroom with bathtub and hairdryer where shampoo and bath gel dispensers are provided, as well as air conditioning and heating which you can control individually from your room depending on the season's requirements. Although the hotel does have some adapted rooms for the less mobile, when I inquired about its facilities for the disabled, it recommended its sister hotel, the Dynastic, instead, as this hotel has larger lifts to accommodate wheelchairs, along with more adapted rooms, and is of course on the flat as well. The Gala Placidia offers a variety of board bases, from room only to full board, and now it also offers an all-inclusive package, for those who prefer to stay in the hotel most of the time and enjoy the comfort of knowing that food and drinks are already paid for, taking the worry out of counting the euros whilst on your holiday. On the all-inclusive package, you can enjoy unbranded drinks from 10 AM until midnight in the brand new bar/cafeteria area, and also a handy snack service which consists of sandwiches, hot dogs, burgers and chips, etc., and is available from 11 until 1 PM and then 5 PM until 7 o'clock. This is of course in addition to their stylish and modern buffet restaurant, which serves a variety of international cuisine, along with a weekly barbecue held outside in the summer months. The current dining hours are 8 till 10 for breakfast, 1 till 3 for lunch, and 7:30 until 9:30 for dinner. Special dietary menus are also available, such as celiac, diabetic and vegetarian, but you must notify the hotel of your requirements in advance and they may attract an extra cost. The hotel has a programme of activities and shows to keep you occupied in the evenings, with 2 entertainment areas, one inside and the other outside. On the day I filmed, there was a mini disco being advertised for the kids at 9 PM, followed by a quiz night for all the family. In the nearby streets, of course, there are a huge variety of bars and cabaret venues to keep you entertained. On Calle Londres, which is the adjacent street to Avenida de Roma, you can find the pub and Uncle Ron's, who both have live music. Or by simply walking to the bottom of the hill and turning right, you can find venues such as Sinatra's Premium, the Rock and Roll House and the Tropical Cabaret Bar. And if all this fails to entertain you, then the Strip and the Square are only a 5 to 10 minute walk away. Moving outdoors, the Gala Placidia has 2 swimming pools, which are both unheated, and a recently extended solarium area complete with sun lounges and hammocks. The second pool was added in the last few years and replaced what was previously an al fresco bowling green, which some of you may remember. This leaves Benidorm with only one hotel now with bowling green facilities for those of you who are interested in a game, and this can be found at the 4-star Hotel Don Pancho along the Avenida del Mediterraneo. The hotel has limited on-site parking at a cost of €15.30 per day for those of you arriving by car or indeed hiring one in resort. Although close by you will find free parking on the road, where it is usually easy enough to find a space, except maybe in the busier months of July and August when many Spanish holidaymakers arrive in their own vehicles. About 100 metres away and just at the bottom of the hill, you can find the Gala Placidia's sister hotel, which I've already mentioned, the 4-star Hotel Dynastic. Here you can use their spa facilities at discounted rates, along with their beauty salon, which offers massages, manicures and pedicures for those of you who enjoy a pamper when on their holes. The hotel is well located for everything that you could need on your holiday. And opposite you will find British Bar the Jukebox, whilst further down the road you can find a small mini-mart for snacks, drinks and newspapers, as well as other useful items. At the bottom of the hill you come to Avenida Ametlla de Mar, where you will find banks with ATMs facing the street, along with plenty of cafes, bars and takeaway premises. There is also a large local supermarket called Massi Mas, and there is a bus stop to your right outside the Paradiso restaurant and a taxi rank opposite. Just across the road you can find a Euro tobacco shop selling cigarettes and stamps, and further along is the entrance to the well-known indoor market, or Rincon de Loix, which has a host of independent stalls inside selling everything you could ask for, along with handy services such as mobile phone top-ups and shoe repairs. From here it is also only a 5-minute walk down to Benidorm's twice-weekly outdoor market, which is held on a Wednesday and a Sunday, and starts early in the morning and finishes about 2 p.m. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the newly renovated Hotel Gala Placidia with me, and if you did, I would ask that you please give this vlog a thumbs up and like it, and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already done so. Also, feel free to drop me a line in the comments section if there is something or somewhere you would particularly like me to include in the future, and as always, I'll see what I can do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you out and about next time. Cheers!